Hello everyone. So on this video, let's see how the user can interact with the system diagnostics variable. Let's say that the user, he wants to count how many times the processor load was over 50%. So we can go to the user PRD. Let's add a new counter here. I'm gonna create a new counter, a CTU function. So here the ladder elements. Let's take a CTU, a counter up operation. So I want to increase a value every time my processor load is over 50%. So my count up parameter is gonna be our processor load that is inside my DG underscore XP340 variable. So let's call this variable DG underscore XP340 dot T detailed dot our processor load is inside the exception structure dot processor load. So every time my processor is over 50%, I want to increase a value on the counter. So let's place a greater signal here and write 50. So this will return a Boolean variable, a false or a true state, which will trigger our counter. Let's create a reset here. Reset. And let's create a value for PV, like 30,000. So when my processor load reaches a value over than 30,000 times, it will trigger an output. But this is not what we want to do. We just want to have the counter information. That's going to be on our CV variable. I'm going to delete these interrogation marks. And let's log in. So you can see here that my counter value is increasing. That means that my processor is over 50%. You can check that out on our system diagnostics to check about the processor load. Let's split the screen. Okay, so now you see that my processor load is 56. Now it's 48, so my expression is false. But when it reaches a value that is over 50%, like now 55, it will increase our counter. So that's how you can use your diagnostics variable inside of your ladder program.